Hey guys, Andrew McFarland here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are happy, hope you're healthy, inspired to launch your businesses or grow your existing businesses. Today, I'm talking about the best way to learn to improve your business. Before I dive in, if you're new to the channel, you don't know who I am, you don't know what we do, over the last decade, myself and our company has had the pleasure of supporting hundreds of entrepreneurs just like you launch smoothie cafes, juice bars, juice trucks, acai bowl businesses, as well as running our own businesses in this sector. So all the information on this channel is coming from this wealth of experience. Early invitation, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. That way you can get alerted when we release new videos like this because you don't want to miss it. One piece of information can change your business and therefore change your life. So you want to stay educated and informed. Now, let's dive in. So one of the key components when it comes to successfully running and growing any business is all about learning and adapting. Because in the very beginning of your business, you're going to have all kinds of assumptions. What recipes you think are going to be popular, right? What your hours of operation should be. There are all kinds of assumptions that you have to make naturally because you have to commit to doing something. But at the end of the day, what's going to make you successful is being able to really understand what works and what doesn't work, what your customers want and what they don't want. And how do you do this? Okay, one of the best ways to learn that I found in my own businesses is to listen and observe as a neutral party. Okay, and I'm going to break this down a bit more because it's not going to be as obvious from just that statement. When people know you are the owner of your business, let's say you're in your store, you're walking around and people think, oh, that's the owner. They're going to come and talk to you and they're going to say, oh my God, I love your business. I love your product. I love blah, 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 blah. They're going to pander to you most of the time because they know you're the owner of the business. Or they're going to come with some complaint. Hey, you know, when I was here last week, so-and-so happened. This employee wasn't nice to me. The order was slow. So you're going to get two kinds of feedback, and generally they're going to be quite extreme. But it's not pure feedback. It's not a pure understanding and listening. So what do I suggest? Now, it's not to say ignore those things. Definitely take all feedback into account. But one of the best ways that I found that I learned in my own business is I will sit in my store, and nobody has to know who I am. They don't need to know that I own the business. I don't need to wear a t-shirt that says I'm the owner. I just sit and I usually will be on my laptop and I'll do some work. I'll drink a smoothie, I'll hang out, and I just listen to people. I want to be close enough to where the register is, if I can, and just listen and observe. What are they saying? What's their process? What do they like? What don't they like? What are they telling their friends about the company? Oh yeah, I came here last time. They have this really great smoothie. Oh, the staff is so nice here. What are the things that they're saying about my business? Because when people give other people feedback, when they don't know that you're there, you can believe that it's honest. They have no reason to lie because they don't know that you own the company. So this is one of the keys to when it comes to learning about how to improve your business. Now, the next thing I want to say about learning in general, a lot of you guys are watching the YouTube channel. Clearly, you're literally watching it right now, but a lot of you guys have this as a practice. Or you're online looking at blogs, listening to our podcast, and you're doing a lot of research. Now, this is good. I'm glad that you're learning. But I have found when it comes to the amount, we've got, I don't know how many videos on this channel. It could be 300, give or take. It's a lot of videos. That means it's a lot of information. And that might not be the best way for you to learn if all you're doing is watching videos. And the reason it is, it's not because the videos aren't helpful and there's not good information in it. You better believe it's the best information you're going to find on the internet. But it's because it could overwhelm you if you don't start implementing things. So the first question you always want to ask yourself when you're doing anything is, what are the most essential things for me to know to move forward? And that is going to be a number of things that I'm not going to outline right now, but I just want you to be in this process of thinking because it's not just what you learn, but there is an art form to learning. I'm in the process of learning a new language. There's a way that you want to learn that's going to be most helpful for you to implement. And so there's a process of learning, right? I have a tutor, I learn, and then I go and I practice. I don't wait until I learn every single word, phrase, and how to communicate before I actually start communicating with people. And a lot of you are doing this. A lot of you are waiting to think, I need to know everything before I take the first step. This is wrong, in my opinion. I believe that it's helpful to really just understand, okay, what are the big picture things that I need to do? Then from there, what's the most essential first step that I can make? For a lot of you, it's going to be raising money. And if you need help raising money for your business, and that's a big challenge for you, reach out to me personally at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. We can have a conversation about putting a business plan together for you so you can take that next first step. But don't believe you have to know everything to make progress. You need to definitely learn, educate yourself, but don't get into the analysis paralysis or become so overwhelmed with all the things that you need to do that you don't do anything. There's an art form. Take it step by step and keep moving in the right direction, and eventually you'll get to your destination. So that's what I wanted to say about learning. There's ways to learn when it comes to actually having your business open that you want to be aware of and implement things, because this whole game of being a business owner and just being a human in life is all about learning and growing and taking the next step and the next step. And so you want to ask yourself, how do I learn best? What are the best strategies? Because we live in the age of information, and sometimes that's a great thing because all the information is available to us, but sometimes that's a really bad thing because we get overwhelmed and we get bogged down and we get paralyzed by all the things that we think we don't know, and we keep asking more and more questions instead of just asking ourselves essentially, what do I need to know now? And then what's the next step? And sometimes that's hard to answer for yourself. So like I said, reach out to me and we're happy to give you a nice picture of where you're at, where you need to go, and what the next essential steps are so you can keep making progress in the right direction and not be paralyzed by all the information out there. So that's the message for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Press the like button, subscribe to the channel, notification bell. If you're not following us on Instagram, you definitely want to follow us on Instagram. There's exclusive giveaways and content that you're only going to see there. And then last announcement, follow us and listen to our podcast, the Juice Bar Experts podcast. It's on Spotify. It's on iTunes. Until next time, hope you guys are happy and healthy. See you at the next video. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you are inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, 15 Steps to Starting a Juice Business from Scratch. This is going to give you a high-level overview of everything you need to do from where you are now all the way to opening your business. Now, if you want to go even deeper, we've created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every aspect of starting your business, everything from branding to menu development to finding the right location, the equipment that you need, and so much more, all the way to launching your business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of them. As always, hope you guys are happy and healthy, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you at the next video.